Then I take another eyeshadow palette with a lot of glitter, and I use this white glitter color to just put it on the inner part of my eye. For eyeliner, you can use an eye pencil or an eyeliner brush. Anything, I think eye pencil is easier, so you can use that. But you're gonna first take your eyeliner, start from the very outer part of your eye, bring it up, then go from the top of your eye, bring it down to meet the line you made, and then you can fill it in. So also make sure to make it sharp, so you can just take the very tip and extend it to make it sharper. Then you're just gonna do the same thing on your other eye. This next part is optional, but you're gonna take like an eye pencil, and you're gonna line your waterline, which is the part underneath your eyelashes. So then for your eyelashes, you can use fake eyelashes or you can use mascara. So if you're gonna use mascara, you're just gonna take an eyelash curler and curl your eyelashes. And then take your mascara and just wiggle it up. Or if you want to use fake eyelashes, you can take your eyelash, cut it, make sure it fits your eye, and then you're going to take some eyelash glue and put the glue over the eyelash. And you're gonna let it dry for a little bit so that it gets sticky. You can blow on it, you can wave it. You're just gonna wait a couple, like 30 seconds to let it dry. Put it on, you can close your eye or open it. You're gonna put it over your actual eyelashes. Okay, so next I use this highlighter, or you can use like a glittery eyeshadow. And you're gonna take a small brush. I take just a little bit of it, and I put it on the inner corner of my eye. Blend it out because it's really bright. And then do the same thing on my other eye. And yeah, you can also put some on your nose, like I put it on the tip and down here. And then lastly, you can just take some red lipstick. You can apply it just like that, or you can take a brush first, put some on, and then put it on your lips. I think this way helps you, helps it be more precise. Okay, and then lastly, you're gonna take a setting spray. You don't have to do this, but I think this helps your makeup stay on longer. So you're gonna take a setting spray, any setting spray, and just spray it all over your face. So and then don't touch it, just wait for it to dry, and then this will help your makeup stay on for a really long time. Okay, that's it, I think.